Bonjour. Hello everyone. I'm Sniti, your French educator from Master French with Sniti. And today we are going to start with the 8th video of the first series of Basic French. So, in the Compter en Français series, that means counting in French, in today's video we are going to start with the number 71 and complete it till the number 80. So, let's get going. And do remember that I'll be pronouncing the French pronunciations 2 times so that it would be clear for you. Here we have the first number of the video, that is 71, which is 71. 71. Next comes 72, which is 72. 72. Then we have 73, which is 73. 73. And now comes 74, which is 74. 74. Then comes 75, which is 75. 75. And here we have 76, which is 76. 76. And now we have 77, which is 77. 77. And then we have 78, which is 78. 78. Then comes 79, which is 79. 79. And at last we have 80, which is 80. 80. So let us recall what all we have learned today. Here we have 71, which is 71. 72. 73. 74. 75. 76. 77. 78. 79 and 80. So I hope that you liked the video. That was all for today, and we are going to cover from the number 81 till the 90 in our next video. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. With that, thanks for watching and bye bye.